This is dextrorotatory or D isomer, another L or levorotatory isomer, dextro and levo. मतलब कि when plane polarized light will fall on the compound, the plane of the plane polarized light may rotate either towards right or towards left. Plane of the plane polarized light. So if it rotates towards right, then we can say dextrorotatory and L levorotatory. And these D and L are non-superimposable mirror images in the configuration. DL isomers, optical isomers are non-superimposable mirror images. After D another is L. 11 একটু কথা বলছিলাম, when what is plane polarized light? Ordinary light or any monochromatic light when it has large number of planes. Detail you will study in organic chemistry, we will discuss. When light is made to pass through a nickel prism is made of quartz, then all the planes will be cut off, only one plane will be remaining. That emerging light containing only one plane is called plane polarized light. When plane polarized light is made to pass through this type of compound in which object and mirror images are non-superimposable, that is also called chiral compound. We'll discuss in organic chemistry what is chiral carbon, what is chiral compound. Then the plane of the plane polarized light may rotate either towards right or towards left. Plane of the plane polarized light. Compound kintu will be as it is. If the plane will rotate towards right, then we say it is dextrorotatory isomer. If it rotates towards left, we say levorotatory isomer. If object configuration are dextro, then the mirror image will be levorotatory isomer. Optical isomers are non-superimposable mirror images in their configuration. That detail organic we will discuss again. So like what key lekla bolo to, what is optical isomerism? Should you say?
Anybody? So there are two types of optical isomerism. That is dextrorotatory and levorotatory, and optical isomers are non-superimposable mirror images.
Mirror images are non-superimposable in their configuration. What is that? What is optical isomer? When plane polarized, what is plane polarized light?
The light that contains vibrations only in one direction.
So this is a light, any light, whether it is monochromatic light or any ordinary light, it has many planes. Infinite number of planes are there. If it is made to pass through, we will discuss in organic again. If it is made to pass through nickel prism, then emerging light will have only one plane. This is a single plane. All other planes are cut off. This light is called, emerging light is called plane polarized light. If it is made to pass through the compound, then the plane might rotate either towards right or it might rotate towards left. It might rotate towards right or towards left. Plane. Any one it will take place if it is, if suppose dextrorotatory are 60% or 40%, then what will happen? It will rotate towards right. Got my point? But if they are 50%, that is the inorganic chemistry we will discuss. That is called racemic mixture. It will not show optical isomerism. So if it is rotated towards right, we say dextrorotatory. If it rotates towards left, we say levorotatory. So now question is optical isomerism. CBS is a normal question. Give an example of a complex showing optical isomerism and show the complex. This is the simplest question. Question ta lekho to, duto question bolchi. Give an example of a complex with coordination number 6 showing optical isomerism. And show the isomer. In a normal simple question. Hello.
So একবার রিপিট করবে কোশ্চেনটা।
It's a simple question. যেটা আসছে CBSE তে normal question. Give an example of an octahedral complex showing optical isomerism and show the complex. Show the isomers. Sorry. Show the isomers. Which will show optical isomerism. Show the isomers. অথবা এরকম কোশ্চেন আসছিল, what is the IUPAC name of the compound? Compound is given so that you need not memorize it. Show the optical isomers if possible. Is it CO, OX, OX whole 3 বা C2O4 whole 3, এটা কিন্তু C2O4 থাকতে পারে কিন্তু রিমেম্বার, OX whole 3 minus 3. What is the oxidation? What is the name of this complex? Anybody?
Sir,
Shivani?
tris oxalate cobaltate 3 ion.
Tris oxalato. Tris oxalato cobaltate 3 ion. Although K3 থাকলে potassium or minus 3 will not be there. That also you know. So here you see CO. How many sides? What is the number of coordination number? Hello?
6.
6. তাহলে A একটা oxalate will take. These 2 positions, another oxalate will take. These 2 positions, oxalate, 6 positions are taken. These 2, these 2, these 2. By minus 3. What is the mirror image of this? Hello? Are they mirror images? Are they superimposable?
No, sir.
No. So this will show optical isomerism. You can cite. And the question was like this. Write the IUPAC name of the complex and show the optical isomers. This way you have to write. Or, what is the, anybody say what is the IUPAC name of this? Another question. In another set it was like that.
Tris ethane 1,2-diamine chromate 3 ion.
Chromate, how it comes chromate, I do not understand.
Chromium 3 ion.
It will also show. Nah. Hello. This will also show, nah. Hello. Optical isomerism. Tris ethane 1,2-diamine chromium 3 ion. Clear, na? And am I clear to you? This is En. And you show the mirror image of this. Okay. If it is dextro, then it is levo. If it is levo, it is dextro. Clear na? Hello? Hello, Riddhi?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. A mirror image means En will come here, En will go there, En will go there. If it is dextrorotary isomer, means if this compound will show, if this configuration will rotate the plane of the plane polarized light towards right, then it will turn towards left. If it turns towards left, it will turn towards right. That we do not know. That is experimental. Got my point?
সেটা কি কোশ্চেনে দিয়া থাকবে লাইটের রোটেশনটা?
Huh?
মানে কোন দিকে মানে রোটেট করবে এটা কি দিয়া থাকবে?
No. That nobody knows how it will be given. It is experimental. But one important question was there. You write, give an example of octahedral complex containing bidentate ligand showing optical geometrical isomerism. Which of the geometrical isomer is optically inactive? Another important question.
স্যার আবার রিপিট
Give
করুন
an example of an octahedral complex containing bidentate ligand showing geometrical isomerism. Which geometrical isomer is optically inactive? माने geometrical isomer mix करके this question was given. Give an example of an octahedral complex containing bidentate ligand showing geometrical isomerism. Full stop. Dila example and show the isomers. Next question part. Next part. Which geometrical isomer is optically inactive? माने optical, it will not show optical isomerism. What you have written? Question you read out. Yaslin.
So give an example of an octahedral complex containing bidentate ligand showing geometrical isomerism.
Correct.
So tapor second part ta likhi nibe geometrical isomerism.
Which geometrical isomer? Which of the geometrical isomers? मतलब which geometrical isomer will not show optical isomerism or will be optically inactive? Optically inactive मतलब it will not exhibit optical isomerism. Which geometrical isomer is optically inactive? This way the question was set. Which geometrical isomer is optically inactive? माने which geometrical isomer will not exhibit optical isomerism? माने geometry and optical mix. The question was mixed with both the isomerism.
so will not exhibit optical isomer
Optical isomerism. Which geometrical isomer will not show optical isomerism or optically inactive? Which geometrical isomer is optically inactive? Man, it will not exhibit optical isomerism. Many a time this question was set. Now, you see, this is the example I am writing. First of all, you say, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? You remember cobalt, chromium, to some extent vanadium, they show this many complexes. That is why always in my finger it comes cobalt, chromium, vanadium, iron. Here I am writing OX. Here I am writing Cl2. What is the IUPAC name of this complex? Fast, very fast.
Sir, potassium dichloride dioxalato cobaltate 3 cobaltate 3.
Oh, এটা K3 হ্যাঁ ঠিক বলো K3 হবে এটা সরি K3 K না K3 সরি আবার বলো ঠিক করে বলো you are possibly in
Sir, potassium dichloride dioxalato
Dyna bis
sorry bis oxalato cobaltate sir 1 ই হবে মনে হয় এটা
ভালো করে দেখো
এখানে 2
3 হবে
Sir 3 hobe.
এতক্ষণে 3 হবে কেন এখনো কনফিডেন্সই আসে না তাহলে বলবে yes 3 এটা চার্জ -2 -2 into 2 -4 আর -2 তো -6 এখানে চলে গেল +3 তাহলে এটা 3 হবে না ক্লিয়ার না হ্যালো সুবীর
yes sir
yes sir
তাহলে এই কম্পাউন্ডটা will write the geometrical isomers. You will present the answer this way. This is the complex, or generally you need not memorize this complex because so far as CBSE and ISC exam is concerned, this formula part or complex part they write in the question paper. They set so that you need not memorize the complex, but in competitive exam it is required. That is why I am telling.
স্যার কিন্তু আমরা মানে এমনি বললেও তো লিখে দিতে পারি
Say, you repeat once again.
তার মানে এমনি যদি বলে এই কোশ্চেনে মানে কোনো মানে কোনো কমপ্লেক্স যদি দেয়া না থাকে তাহলে আমরাও তো এমনিও মানে নিজে থেকে একটা কমপ্লেক্স বানিয়ে নিতে পারি।
That is why I am writing it. Achha, now you see, this is a complex. You write the name also, you need to write, but that is not the concern. Now write geometrical isomers are CO. What is the coordination number? 6. Because it is a bidentate ligand and it is a unidentate ligand. So it is OX. This is OX. And this is OX. This is Cl. This is Cl. Outside, how much charge?
-3.
It is a trans isomer. First, you show the geometrical. This is trans, and this is cis. Cl, OX, OX. You can take this side and this side also, kintu, huh? In octahedral complex, the many isomers are possible. Here you write -3. This is cis. So this is geometrical isomers. First question and the answer of the first part. That is, give an example of a coordination compound with coordination number 6 with bidentate ligand. A bidentate ligand, OX, yeah, ethane 1,2-diamine, yeah, glycinate also you can write, and accordingly charge also you have to set. This is the geometrical isomer. After that, you will show the cis isomer will show geometrical isomerism, but trans geometrical isomer will not show optical isomerism. Cis geometrical isomer will show optical isomerism, but trans geometrical isomer will not show optical isomerism. Second part. Why trans isomer will not show optical isomerism?
স্যার কারণ কি মিরর ইমেজ আর এটা মানে রিয়েল ইমেজ একদম সেম।
Superimposable. Because object and mirror images are superimposable. Eta OX a mirror image, same structure, you can draw here. Object and mirror image configurations are superimposable, so it will not exhibit geometric it will not exhibit optical isomerism. You write here, but cis form, you see, cis form will show geometric optical isomerism. So this is cis form, Cl OX. Any transform, kintu any transform, ধরো এইটার সাথে এইটা, then also it will not show optical isomerism, but cis form will show. Why? This much only you study for CBSE exam, but CBSE exam and ISC exam, it is, I think, deleted this year. +3. Well, ACL will go here, OX. So if it is D, this is L, but it is cis form. D also cis. Trans isomer will not show geometrical isomerism because why trans isomer will not show, Yaslin?
So because it is same on both the
Object and mirror image configurations are superimposable.
yes, sir.
Because object and mirror image configurations are superimposable, so it has No, it cannot rotate the plane of the plane polarized light. It is there is no actually asymmetric center. Organic will study. That is a achiral object. Achiral matlab chiral object matlab chiral configuration matlab object and mirror image will not show superimposability. They are non-superimposable. Moreover, that means it is a non-symmetric type structure. But if it is non-symmetric, then only it will show optical isomerism. There is a plane of symmetry
স্যার
in transform.
স্যার মানে প্রথমটাই কি মানে ডি হয়, মানে প্রথমটা ডেস্কটপে পরেরটাই লিভো হবে, এরকম কোনো কথা আছে?
তার কোনো মানে নেই, হাতে আসছে ডি or you can say L, তাহলে এখানে L or D you can write. That is experimental. কিন্তু মেডিসিনে দেখবা good medicines are those which are levo rotatory. ওই জন্য L ফর্মের মেডিসিনটা always purchase. D ফর্মের মেডিসিন is less active. L ফর্মের মেডিসিনটা কিন্তু more active. বুঝতে পারলা? Towards the remedy of diseases.
স্যার কেন স্যার এটা বেশি অ্যাক্টিভ?
L এর টার্গেট অ্যাটাকটা মলিকুলার টার্গেট অ্যাটাকটা স্ট্রঙ্গার দ্যান ডেক্সট্রো। এটা বায়োলজিক্যাল ফেনোমেনন আর দেয়ার, ওটা তো পড়ব হায়ার ক্লাসে, জেনেটিক ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং আছে। জেনারেলি এল ফর্মটা মোর অ্যাক্টিভ মতলব। আচ্ছা, মানে এল এর টার্গেট অ্যাটাক মলিকুলার টার্গেটটা very active. It works in a better way than dextro-rotatory isomery. Acha, next part হচ্ছে bonding in complex. Bonding in complexes. Valence bond theory. So, should we, how much time is left in this session?
স্যার আরো 17 মিনিট।
How much?
So 15 minutes, 17 minutes.
Okay, at least one complex we can have practices. Achha, you write valence bond theory. 3 points are there, very simple. Number one, according to valence bond theory, they will not, they are going to ask in examination because application based question they will set. According to VBT, valence bond theory, number one, the central metal atom or ion, because if it is 0 valence state atom, if it is 3, 2, 1, 4, etc. ion, the central metal atom oblique ion, provide suitable number of vacant orbitals. This is first point. Number two, these vacant orbitals or empty orbitals are hybridized, giving rise to new type of orbital or hybrid orbitals, called hybrid orbitals. These empty orbitals are vacant, and these vacant orbitals are hybridized, giving rise to empty hybrid orbitals. Just say you have studied in class 11, if 2 orbital combines, 2 hybrid orbitals are formed, S and P, sp, duto. 1s and 2p, 3 sp, 2 hybridized orbital. But here sp2, sp3, sp3 is there, sp2 not there. sp3 means tetrahedral, dsp2 square planar, or d2sp3 or sp3d2 octahedral. These 3 types of hybridization will be there in this in class 12.
So point one টা একবার বলবে, central metal atom of the,
according to valence bond theory, number one, the central metal atom or ion in the complex matlab provides central metal atom or ion provides suitable number of vacant orbitals. Vacant orbitals, suitable number of vacant orbitals. Number two, these vacant orbitals or empty orbitals are hybridized. Hybrid means mixing. এখানে vacant orbital mix হবে. But in class 11, we have seen singly occupied orbitals are mixed together. Here, vacant orbitals are mixed. These empty orbitals are mixed together to form or giving rise to hybrid orbitals. They are empty hybrid orbitals, but hybrid orbitals must be empty. Number three, ligands. Last part lego. Ligands donate electron pairs to these empty hybrid orbitals, giving rise to the coordinate bond directed towards the corner of definite geometrical shape.
স্যার থার্ড পয়েন্টটা একবার রিপিট করবেন?
Ligands donate electron pairs. Ligands donate electron pairs to these empty hybrid orbitals, forming coordinate bonds directed towards the corner of a definite geometrical shape. Geometrical shape একটা হতে পারে তোমার যেটা সিলেবাসে আছে tetrahedral,
forming coordinate bonds
and are directed towards the corner of a definite geometrical shape. Square planar or octahedral. এই তিনটে ব্র্যাকেটে লিখে রাখো, tetrahedral, square planar, octahedral. Tetrahedral or square planar তখন হবে coordination number 4, octahedral 6. One by one we will discuss. কি লিখলে একবার বলো তো? These 3 points, anybody say? What is the valence bonds theory? Valence bond theory, number 1.
Sir, number one, the central metal atom or ion provides suitable number of valent orbitals.
Huh? Suitable number
Sir,
of
vacant orbitals.
Vacant orbitals, empty. Number 2.
So these vacant orbitals are hybridized, giving rise to empty hybrid orbitals.
Hybridized means they mix together. Achha, number 3.
So the ligands donate electron pairs to these empty hybrid orbitals, forming coordinate bonds directed towards the corner of definite geometrical shape.
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে বলতো একটা ফার্স্ট করছি কোঅর্ডিনেশন নাম্বার 6.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ
স্যার টেট্রাহেড্রাল, স্কোয়ার প্ল্যানার, এরা অক্টাহেড্রাল মানে এরা কি মানে বন্ডিং এ হবে?
ওই করছি, প্রথমে অক্টাহেড্রাল করছি, কোঅর্ডিনেশন নাম্বার 6. কোঅর্ডিনেশন নাম্বার 6 হলে কমপ্লেক্স হবে অক্টাহেড্রাল, ঠিক আছে? এটা আমি পরে ডিসকাস করব। d2sp3 হতে পারে sp3, প্রথমটা আমি d2sp3 করছি। What is the IUPAC name of this complex?
স্যার হেক্সামাইন ক্রোমিয়াম 3 ক্লোরাইড।
ঠিক আছে, এখানে দেওয়া থাকবে কোশ্চেনে ক্রোমিয়াম ইকুয়ালস টু 24। Clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now chromium plus 3. Initial electron will leave from S orbital. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next, again you write in box notation. Clear? Clear now? Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir, clear.
Now, fortunately, দুইটা vacant
Sir,
orbital D,
4p তে 3 তে হবে না খালি?
4B, তিনটা vacant orbital. Fourth cell আসছে তাহলে fourth orbital.
ঠিক আছে।
Now this will combine. এখানে fortunately এটা free আছে. Now এখানে দেখো hybrid state. 3D টা আলাদা করে দিলাম। But this will mix together 4s 3D দুইটা আর 4p তিনটা 4px 4pi 4 6 d2sp3 hybrid 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 6 ammonia will donate 6 pairs of electron. 6 ammonia will donate 6 pairs of electron, forming 6 coordinate bond directed towards the corner of a regular octahedron. Either electron pair will show like this. Finally, you show the structure.
স্যার এটা কি করে লিখলাম মানে 6d2sp3 হাইব্রিড?
স্যার নিচেরটা প্রয়োগ করুন।
ছয়টা অরবিটাল মিক্সিং না, তিনটা দুইটা ডি তিনটা পি একটা এস, তো 6 hybrid orbitals will be formed. They are having same energy. আলাদা করে দিলাম। Then you show the structure. And how many coordinate bonds?
স্যার উপরটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
আমি বলছি +3। এটা তুমি স্ট্রাকচারটা ফাইনালি লিখলা, এটা অক্টাহেড্রাল স্ট্রাকচার। This is octahedral structure +3 বাইরে। Finally একটা লাইন লেখো, as there are 3 unpaired electron, it is paramagnetic in nature. As there are 3 unpaired electrons, it is paramagnetic in nature. Final sentence এটা লেখো। This is the structure. Octahedral, let's say octahedral. As there are 3 unpaired electrons, the complex is paramagnetic in nature. Clear না? আজকে এতটুকু করো, হ্যাঁ? Clear না?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next day we'll discuss further. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let us
স্যার
go.
নেক্সট ডে ওয়েডনেসডে ক্লাসটা আমরা একটু তাড়াতাড়ি করতে পারি?
তাড়াতাড়ি হবে না, অনেক প্রবলেম হবে তো।
ওকে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে।
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.